SQLite, a widely used embedded database engine, is lightweight and serverless, making it ideal for local applications and small to medium-scale projects. Python's Pandas library is a powerful tool for data analysis, providing efficient data structures like data frames and series. When combined, SQLite and Pandas create a seamless approach to store, query, and analyze data in Python. Connect to an SQLite database using Python's SQLite 3 library. The connect method establishes this connection. If the database doesn't exist, SQLite creates one, providing a persistent layer for storing structured data. You can load data from CSV files into SQLite tables, converting raw data into a format for storage and querying. Pandas read CSV method loads data into a data frame, and to SQL saves it into a SQLite database. Specify if exists replace to overwrite existing tables, ensuring a fresh dataset each time. Once the data is in SQLite, you can use SQL queries to access it, integrating SQL's querying power with Pandas. Use Pandas read SQL query to execute SQL commands and load results into a data frame for analysis. SQL lets you filter, aggregate, and join tables, while Pandas manipulates this data for analysis. Sorting and filtering data with Pandas is simple, allowing you to select by column values easily.